How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode like this. Go back and open the apps manager, and after that on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do is just scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, then all what you want to do is click on it and click on force stop to stop the app, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled like this, and then click on storage, click on clear data, click delete, go back, click on the power usage details, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. And now the last thing you want to do is click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Now all what you want to do is turn off the airplane mode and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.